Hvac services. We out here in NYC in New York. Out this motherfucker. Got a fresh air outdoor air unit. This thing right here. %, outdoor air it gets. Belt is good. All that seems alright. Compressor, electrical shit. We about to turn this thing on, man. But before I do that, I'm gonna get these cooling towers right. These shits. And I gotta check this fan. This little mini split right here. This is bullshit. And another fan over there. Yo, get on your purpose, man. There's money out here, man. You can't make 100,000. Something wrong with you, man. Get on your purpose, bro. Broskies.